all the way through the Mau Mau Trail, and then we arrived the cave where Kina Dedan Kimathi and and Paul Kagia and all our forefathers came to chill. You see? Yeah, it's a cave, guys. So guys, this is something that you don't want to miss out. Bring your friends, you know, bring your family, just come, relax, enjoy the nature, enjoy the ambience. It's very lovely. I was here with my friends and yeah. You boy. Oh my god, this view is so lovely. Guys, tune in as we explore Kenya in our next video. I'm so glad you joined me today. Thank you. Cheers.